What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today I'm here with the Google Pixel 3 XL. I just received this yesterday, and of course, this is an unboxing video. Now, this isn't going to be very exciting if you follow all this stuff with the Google Pixel 3s, because of course there were all the massive leaks, but I want to do this video anyways, this unboxing, because it's part of the experience. It's part of what being a tech enthusiast is all about. This is like Christmas for any time of the year when you get something like this. So I wanted to share my experience and just give some ideas of what we're going to be doing for future videos around this. So we're going to keep this video pretty short today. Again, this is just going to be an unboxing, and I've got more videos coming. For example, I'm going to compare the Pixel 3 XL to the Google Pixel 2 XL. That's what I'm shooting this video on with the Google Pixel 2 XL. But without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and unbox the Google Pixel 3 XL. Okay, so here we are with the Pixel 3 XL, and we got the cover just gonna slide off there. And then we've got this nice little tab, kind of like what you had with the Pixel 2 XL. Just pull on that, and the phone will just come right out. We'll pull on this, unseal it, and we can set that right there. This is looking really nice here. Really nice rounded design, really nice feel. And I did see and hear of some reviews here that this does feel really good in the hands, and I always wonder what that means. And this feels good because of the rounded corners here, because of how the screen rounds off to the side on all the sides here, and just the nice smooth feel that we have. It is going to attract quite a bit of fingerprints here. I've already got some on here just from touching it, but overall this is very beautiful. So we're gonna pull up right here, and just some more cardboard. We've got some instructions, manuals, that kind of thing, and a SIM card key. Then we've got some earbuds here. We can open this up, and there we go. Now these are wired, and they're pretty nice looking. I'm gonna try those out and give my opinion on those eventually. And then we've got the USB-C to the headphone jack adapter if you are worried about not having a headphone jack. That is the dongle. Then we've got a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And then of course we've got the charge cable here. That is going to be USB-C, of course. And then what we have in here is most likely going to be the power brick. And again, that's USB-C. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a simple setup here. It's very clean. What we're going to do here is we're going to take a whole bunch of videos and photos, and also compare this to my Google Pixel 2 XL, and talk about the differences between the two phones. Lots and lots of videos coming, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so the next thing for this phone is obviously to get it protected, and I'll be doing a video next about that. I actually got the OtterBox Series Defender Rugged Protection Case for the Pixel 3 XL, because if you've been following the channel, you know that I have a Google Pixel 2 XL, of course, and I recently dropped that, and I had a fairly cheap case on it, and I need the protection for this device now, some serious protection, because this thing is, of course, $9.99, and we cannot have that happening. So stay tuned and wait for that video to post, and we're gonna wrap it up here. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. Also, if you have any questions or comments, drop those below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you can, hit that subscribe button. These videos, they do take time and money. By hitting that subscribe button, it'll support the channel, and it'll let other people know this channel is pretty cool. As we get more and more subscribers, they'll see that we do have some clout here, and we can get more people on board, and it'll make it easier for me to make more videos and better videos. So until next time, Leon checking out.